Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best compression tester is probably one of the most essential tools for any car enthusiast or mechanic. It helps you diagnose engine problems quickly and accurately by measuring the compression in each cylinder. This tool can save you time and money by pinpointing issues like worn piston rings, valve problems, or head gasket failures before they lead to major engine damage. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of compression testers and find the perfect one for you. Number 5. BETOOLL HW0130 Petrol Engine Compression Tester Kit. This kit helps you check the compression on your petrol engine quickly and accurately. It's designed to give you reliable readings, so you can easily diagnose any issues. The tester features an easy pressure release button on the side. This makes it simple to reset the gauge after each test, saving you time and effort. The gauge has a dual color scale for easy reading. The clear display allows you to quickly see the pressure range, which is from 0 to 300 psi in 0-20 bar. This kit includes 2 rubber cone ends for a quick check, eliminating the need to thread into the head. It also comes with a 17.7-inch extension hose and 4 different adapter sizes. It is suitable for petrol engines on motorcycles, cars, trucks, ATVs, and more. This versatile tool is a must-have for any automotive enthusiast or professional mechanic. What we like. This compression tester kit offers a quick and accurate way to check your petrol engine's compression. The dual color scale makes reading the pressure a breeze. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic looking for a fast and reliable tool, this is a great choice. It's designed to make your job easier. What people say. Worked well enough for a quick compression check on a Honda 200 ES ATC engine. Told me what I need to know. Have used it 3 times, and it seems to work well. This worked perfectly. I had a P0300 wanted to confirm no leaks. This was quick and accurate. Number 4. Orion Motor Tech 8PC Engine Compression Tester Kit. This 8-piece kit from Orion Motor Tech includes everything you need. It has a pressure gauge, adapters, connectors, and a flexible extension hose. This provides all the tools to accurately measure cylinder pressure. The 3-inch pressure gauge has an easy-to-read panel. It displays readings in triple units. The anti-scratch acrylic glass cover and rubber protection ensure durability and shock resistance. This kit works with many engine types. It fits cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. It includes straight and curved connectors and multiple male-threaded adapters for a secure fit. Made from tough, premium materials, this kit is built to last. It's designed for consistent use, whether you're in a professional garage or doing DIY projects at home. The custom blow-molded carry case keeps everything organized. It has clear laser markings for easy identification. This allows for quick tool access whenever you need it. What we like. This kit provides an all-in-one solution for compression testing, ensuring you have everything you need. The precision gauge with triple units gives you accurate readings. If you are looking for a comprehensive and durable kit for various engine types, this one is perfect for you. It's built to last and easy to use. What people say. Great product and a must-have for anybody who does their own engine repair work. Fast and easy to use saved me from making a bad purchase on 2 separate occasions. Works great. Works. Nice box. Should last a lifetime. Testing compression once in a blue moon. Number 3. OTC 5605 Deluxe Compression Tester Kit. This deluxe kit from OTC provides everything you need for compression testing on gasoline engines. It's a comprehensive solution designed to make the process easier and more efficient. The kit comes with a variety of standard and specialty adapters. This includes the deep well connector for recessed plug well style heads and the Ford Triton engine adapter. The adapters are designed to work with both flat and tapered seat plugs. This versatility ensures that it can handle a wide range of engine configurations. The metal components are protected by a corrosion-resistant nickel-plated finish. This feature helps to extend the life of the tool and ensures reliable performance. It features an extra-long 25-inch flex hose gauge assembly with a quick coupler. This allows for easy viewing, even in cluttered engine compartments. The kit comes in a rugged blow-molded hard case with a removable lid. This provides convenient storage and protects the components when not in use. What we like. This deluxe kit is a complete package, including standard and specialty adapters for gasoline engines. The extra-long flex hose makes it easy to access hard-to-reach areas. If you have a variety of engines to test, including those with recessed plug wells, then this kit is a great option. It offers convenience and versatility. What people say. The kit contains all sorts of adapters and hoses, so I'm guessing it'll work on just about any engine out there. The gauge is covered in rubber molding to help protect it from any whacks and bangs during use and is pretty accurate. Used it about 1-2 dozen times. Works great, extra rings and valves, and comes in a nice not too big case. Number 2. AZUNO Digital Compression Tester Kit. This complete kit is designed for gasoline engines. It comes with multiple adapters and a flex hose, all neatly stored in a deluxe case. This ensures you have everything you need for the job. The digital compression gauge provides incredibly accurate readings. It displays pressure with a 0.1 resolution, ensuring precise measurements within a 1% margin of error. This helps you diagnose engine issues effectively. The wide backlit LCD screen shows clear numbers in 4 different units. It also features an auto-off function to save battery life. The side bleeder valve allows for repeated tests without disconnecting the hose. Built with high-quality steel and brass components, this tool is made for all-day use in any shop or garage. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of professional use. AZUNO products come with a 1-year warranty and customer service is always available online. You can get technical support whenever you need it, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This compression tester features a digital gauge for incredibly accurate measurements. The smart display with a wide, backlit LCD screen makes it easy to read. If you like precise data and a user-friendly experience, this digital compression tester is ideal. It provides accuracy and convenience in one package. What people say. Worked exactly as expected. Digital screen helps a lot when you don't know much about reading compression test. Works great. Used it once my 88 Fox body and I had to take off the rubber gasket for it to grab the threads in the heads. Number 1. Automotive Compression Tester Kit and Spark Plug Tester. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for engine diagnostics. It comes with a compression tester and a spark plug tester. This allows you to easily assess your car's condition. The spark plug tester is essential for diagnosing ignition problems. It quickly identifies issues within the fuel delivery system. If a spark is present, the tester will show it, helping you pinpoint problems. The gauge is easy to read with both PSI and kg/cm superscript 2 units. It's protected by an anti-scratch coating and rubber to absorb shocks. Everything is stored in an ABS case for easy organization. To use it, start by preparing your engine and removing the spark plugs. Then, thread the gauge into the spark plug hole. Finally, crank the engine to get accurate pressure readings. Ensure all parts are correctly installed before testing. Never touch the tester while the ignition is on. Always turn off the engine and remove the key before handling the components. If you have any questions, please contact us. What we like. This kit is a complete package, including a spark plug tester for added value. The spark plug tester helps you diagnose ignition issues quickly. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that offers extra diagnostic capabilities, then this is the one for you. It's designed to make engine testing easier and more efficient. What people say. Simple, intuitive, and easy to use with consistent and reliable results. I've used compression tester priced at double or triple the price of this set, and this set has all the same pieces and same accurate results. Works well, good quality. Excellent quality. I used it and it worked beautifully. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.